Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by choosing the focused build you want: combat, stealth, tech, or social. Once chosen, invest heavily in 2 primary attributes that directly power your core actions. This gives immediate benefits and scales with gear. Make 1 attribute secondary to cover weaknesses without spreading thin. Make sure to keep a small reserve of points for flexibility and implants early on so you can adapt to new gear or mission needs without undoing your entire plan. Once the base is set, funnel points into attributes that unlock the mid-game perks and cyberware you want. Focus on synergy. Pick attributes that complement your chosen weapons, abilities, and implants so each point multiplies your effectiveness. Make sure to hit gear requirements for favorite high-tier weapons or cyberware to avoid wasted gear drops. If you need to, reallocate a few points now to unlock a key perk tree. This accelerates progression and smooths the transition into tougher encounters. Finish by capping your primary attribute to hit peak scaling, then bring the secondary attribute up to unlock late-game perks and utility. Once done, play several mission types to reveal any weaknesses. Make small adjustments of 1 to 3 points rather than large overhauls. If you encounter functional problems, first try swapping implants or gear that change stat requirements. If that fails, respec a single attribute to regain balance. This targeted change.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.